What is going on, guys? Jason here, back for another YouTube video, and I'm back for another room tour, my new apartment here in Hua Hin. This apartment that I'm staying in right now is just near Soi 94. It is located more centrally in Hua Hin. It is not close to the main road. Petkasen Road, whatever it's called. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but it's located more centrally in Hua Hin. So this sort of area, you got a lot more restaurants around here, and you are a little bit more of a walk to the shopping malls like Market Village and Blueport. But you got a lot of restaurants around here and a lot of street food and that sort of options around here. So this is the room that I'm staying in. It is just like a studio apartment. This is the price that I paid. I'll leave the price on the screen for you so you can see what a good deal I've got here. I did go around walking around a few of the sois around here in Hua Hin, looking at what a good option is for me, and I was able to find this room as well with some help from friends. So they suggested this room to me. I had a look at the room, and it's a very nice room. So I'm gonna show you guys what the room looks like now. Let's see what you guys think. All right, so this is from the front door, and just a quick side note before I start, this does not include electric and water bills, so that just so you guys are aware of that. But this is the room here. This is from the front door. So you've got your TV area here with some storage underneath here. I've got all my stuff already laid out. I've just moved in a few days ago. You've also got this sort of lounge area. It's not the most comfortable in the world, as you can see, but you know, would have been nice if they put a sofa here. You got the TV here, but anyway, it is what it is. You got lots of storage as well down here, so the same can be said for here as well with the TV. Not a big TV anyway, but you've got that there. You've also got a big computer desk, which is awesome. I really love this feature. It's a huge desk. You can do all sorts of work here on your laptop, whether you're a digital nomad, whether you're working from home, whatever it is. You got a big computer desk with, you know, you got your drawer underneath, and you got some more storage down here, three sort of rows there, and you got a mirror here as well. Hey guys, how you doing? More storage up here. So I really love this desk here. Really love that. Over here you've got the bedroom. You got a nice bed. This is actually a really comfortable bed and really good quality bed sheets as well. I really like this. You have a really good night's sleep here. But this is the room. There's no TV here, only just there as well. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the wardrobe here. Anyway, I know you guys like to see the wardrobe sometimes, about how big it is and everything. So this is the wardrobe. It's pretty much your standard wardrobe here. I got all my clothes there as mentioned, so that's that for you. But going back to the bedroom, yes, you've got aircon here, and with this bedroom as well, it's got this little sliding door here, so you can close this when you want to seal off your bedroom. Whether it's, you can do it for many things, whether it's noisy, if you're cooking something, or you just want some peace and quiet over here. You've got this if your partner or whatever wants to watch TV and you want to chill and sleep, you've got that option where you can close this door. And also, because you've got the aircon in the bedroom only, you can decide to close this to keep the bedroom cool, so you can have a good night's sleep and that sort of thing. So there is only one aircon. There's no aircon in the living sort of area, but you know, it is what it is. It does get quite warm in here, so I may need to purchase a fan as well, but you know, it is what it is again. So you got PowerPoints, just one over there on that side, but you do have the aircon as mentioned, and this is the view from the window. There's no balcony here in the bedroom anyway. Here it is here. So this is the view. Not too bad from here. You do have a nice mountain view, but there's no beach view or anything, but you know, it's not that bad of a view. Quite high up. These windows do open up if you want to let some fresh air in, as you can see, so you can open those up if you want to let some fresh air in. So all right, and over here is the kitchen area. It isn't a big kitchen area by any means, but they do provide you with a induction cooker here. It is only just the one, so as you can see, just the one. You do have only the one pan, and you've got this wooden spatula, wooden fork, whatever you want to call it. They do give you 2 bowls with some forks and spoons, 2 cups, a chopping board, and a kettle, which is good. And this is the sign here they provide you with. So they recommend you that you cook on the outside because there is a smoke detector on top around here somewhere. So they do recommend you cooking on the balcony. So the balcony is just over here. I will show you that in just a minute. But you do have microwave here. You got more storage under there. You got a fridge, medium-sized fridge, so it's pretty good anyway. But as you can see, stocked up on water. Got some more storage up there and up here as well. So as you can see there, so lots and lots of storage anyway, which is always a good thing. And just underneath there you got for your bin and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much the kitchen area. I'm gonna show you guys the balcony. Again, nothing special here. You got a tap here, and you do have the place to hang your clothes, which is really important. I really love when there's something like that here. So over there, that's the view from outside, guys. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom now as well. Pretty nice looking bathroom as well, I will say. Very, very modern and nice looking bathroom. You got your sink here, you got your mirror. Hey guys, how you doing? So you got all that sort of stuff here. You got your toilet and you got your shower as well, which is great. Very, very nice looking shower. You got hot water, heater as well. So yeah, that's a look at the bathroom. Very, very modern looking bathroom again. So that is always a good sign. So regarding laundry, there is no washing machine in the room. However, there are washing machines outside on each floor. So there is one right outside my room as well, which I'll show you guys on the screen for you. So you just have to put like 30, I think it's like 30 or 40 baht inside the machine for it to work, and you just pop your clothes in there. So basically your own sort of private washing machine. So that's pretty cool. You got one on each level from what I understand. So that's always a good thing as well. You don't have to go to a shop to do your laundry. The good thing about this apartment building is it also has a really nice rooftop area. It's got a rooftop area with swimming pool and a gym as well. And the good thing is you can use that during the times here with COVID right now. There is Hua Hin is becoming like a deep red zone, so they have given the all clear to use the swimming pool and the gym here as well. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like as well. An amazing, amazing rooftop area. Well, that is my room, guys. What do you guys think of my new room, my new apartment? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I would love to hear your thoughts on this room and what you guys think of it. I think it's a great little room here. Again, it's great for like 1 or 2 people, even just, you know, mostly just a solo. If you're solo, it's a great little place here. It's a central location. You got everything you need around you. You got 7-Eleven, 6 to 7 minute walk. You got a ton of shops, ton of restaurants around here, and it's a real local feel. You really feel like you're a local here if you're living around here, because there's so many locals that are around here as well. So I do highly recommend this place, guys. It is just near Soi 94. The name of this apartment building is called The Room Residences. So go and check it out if you're interested. I think they still got a few rooms available, but they are quite busy. So I do see people moving in and out often. So I think this is a popular choice for people. So if you're in Hua Hin and you're looking for a place to stay, come on down and you'll be able to check this place out. I think it's a good value room. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos in the future, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of any upcoming videos as well. and be sure to click the thumbs up button on this video. It really helps out the channel a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm very, very grateful for your time. God is good. Let the journey continue.